Welcome to KIPPIN. This video is for accountants and bookkeepers and provides guidance on how to create or view client invoices. To log in, go to the KIPPIN website and click on the highlighted menu. Accountants must sign in by clicking the Accountant Sign In button. You will be prompted to enter your username and password created during registration. If you have not registered, please review the demo on how to register. Once logged in, click on the Select Client button to select the client file to be viewed. You will be presented with an array of menu options on the left panel. Click on the Invoice menu option. If the client selected has not yet completed their invoice registration, you will be presented with a dialog box to update their information. This is a one-time process and the details on this page will be retained and used during invoice creation. Once the registration process is complete, the invoice section will expand, displaying submenus. Click on the Create Invoice submenu. A pop-up box will appear asking you for the status of the customer you would like to create an invoice for. If the customer has already been created, click on No. The system will redirect you to a page where all your created customers will be listed. If the invoice is for a new customer, click on Yes. For new customers, a page will be displayed where you will be required to fill in all the details of the customer. Once done, click on Save to save the entry. Additional email addresses are also permitted in case multiple individuals need to be notified of the status of an invoice. Note, only the primary contact, first contact entered, can approve incoming invoices. Once the customer's data has been saved, the customer will be automatically added to your customer list. Select the customer that you wish to create an invoice for and then click on the Create button. The invoice number field will be auto-populated with an auto-generated number. Proceed to fill out all other areas as required. Then click on the Add/Edit button. A pop-up box will be displayed. In here you will need to provide more details, i.e. description, taxes, etc. If you are a KIPPIN accounting user, the service product type drop-down listing will be visible. If you are an invoice-only user, i.e. not registered for our accounting module, this option will not be visible. Once all details have been input, click on the Save button. Note, additional line items can be created by simply clicking the Add/Edit button. Once all entries have been added, click on the Save button to save the invoice in Draft invoices can be retrieved by clicking on the Sent/Saved Invoice menu option. This will display a listing of sent and saved invoices. Note, only saved invoices with a status of draft can be edited. The Received Invoice section provides a view of all incoming invoices approved or rejected. Note, rejected invoices can be edited and resent to your customers. The Invoice Report menu option provides you with a view of the status of all invoices, both received and sent. In the Sent Invoices section, you are able to see if an invoice is pending payment or paid in a single window. Here you can review each invoice individually, send an invoice to an external recipient via email or update your records manually. In the Received Invoices section, you have the added ability to pay for invoices via e-payment. Here you can review each invoice individually, send an invoice to an external recipient via email for awareness or review or update your records manually. Note, the e-payment option will only be visible if the customer has registered for e-payment. See guide on how to register to receive e-payment for invoices issued.
Join KIPPIN today and get invoicing and accounting features free for the next 6 months.